Hey, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at how we set up a Ghost instance on Google Cloud. So I'll go through that process and then I will also explain how to generate an SSL. But let's start with the compute engine. Okay, so there is a free tier and I'll link this down below in the description. But on Google Cloud, there are these free elements to the platform, so you can sign up for free and you get all of this included for free. Amazon does something similar. In this instance, we're going to look at the compute engine, and you can use one E2 micro instance per month, but it has to be in the following region, so Oregon, Iowa, or South Carolina. So we'll go with US East. And it says you can have a 30 gig of standard disk and 1 gigabit of outbound data. So if you want a basic website, this is pretty cool. Okay, so now we know that, let's go back to our Google Cloud. Let's go back to the Google Cloud. Now we're in Compute Engine and you've got virtual machine instances. So let's create an instance. Now, you can just create it from scratch and then you get an estimate of costs. Something to bear in mind as you change items or the usage goes up, the cost will vary quite drastically because it's a different pricing model. If you're using, I'd recommend if you just wanted something more basic, then DigitalOcean is the way to go. There's a bit of config, but you can check out that video down below. And yeah, if you're interested in that, that's a good way to go. Also, Google Cloud and DigitalOcean offer like some promo credit to try it out. So I think DigitalOcean at the moment $200. So I'll link those down below. Maybe Google Cloud's maybe $300 to get going. So yeah, well, let's just go ahead. We don't want to use this for this this example. We want to go to new virtual machine instance from template. So we want to go to the marketplace, and then we're going to look for Bitnami. Let's search for that. Bitnami. And all that this means is that the packages are the latest and up to date and secure. So, and it's all included. So, cool. So there we go. We got Bitnami package for Ghost. We'll take that one. And we'll launch that. So here we'll go. It will show you the estimated costs. So we've got 0 here. And I think it's estimated, yeah, 38p a month. Let's go ahead and change the, so we'll put Ghost demo here. Then we want US East. What's it called? US East 1. So make sure you select the right one. I mean, that's US East. Different ones. US Central, US West. They've got ABC. I think they're just different variations. So I think we're okay to pick US East, one of these, because you're in the same region. So we'll go with that one. Okay, and then we've got the series, and we want the E2, which is the smallest, and then we'll go for E2 micro. So that's the cheapest one here. Now this should be free under the free usage allowance as stated here. So it's in that region, it's an E2 micro, and we've only got a 10 gigabyte disk, so it should easily fit in that E2 micro. So these are shared instances, so let's go ahead and deploy. And now we'll just wait for that to run through. So here you can see it's creating a site address at the moment with an admin URL. You've got a temporary password and all this carry on. So don't worry, I will be deleting this before the video goes live, so don't, if you hackers out there, don't worry, you can't do anything. So let's just wait for that to finish. Okay, let's record it. Okay, so now that's deployed, you've got the site address, click here, which is the main page, and then you've got the Ghost install page. So this is where you'd set up your account. So you use this email here, user.example, and then grab that temporary password there, paste it in and sign in. Not going to save that, and there you go. You can see this is the back end of Ghost, all nice and set up. You can add your first posts, everything's ready to go. Now, now you can use the shell. You can use terminal to log into the instance, or you can just use the admin palette. You can use another client, use another SSH client, or you can use it in a browser. So this way it will connect to your instance via the browser, so you don't need to bother with any sort of program. This one, for example, is called Terminus, but you can use Terminal to do the same thing. This is a local terminal. Click authorize, Google Cloud Shell wants access, just say yes, and there you go, you're inside. Now, what you would want to do really is go to your DNS provider, so GoDaddy, Google Domains, Squarespace, whatever, and we'll take the IP address and you want to point a record to that, so then it will resolve. Yeah, I can do a separate video on DNS records, but it's fairly straightforward. You'd want a record, and it will resolve to that address. And then to look. So here you go, you can see now it's set up. So now, like, if I go and make a change and I publish this, publish. So if we go back here, we can see that view. So there you go, your website's ready to go. It's that easy. There are loads of features with Ghost. You can get some great templates down here. So if you need to Ghost, you go to design and go to settings, design and branding, You can customize everything here. If you want a more in-depth review on that, that's fine. I'm just demoing the setup of Ghost here. And you can pick different themes, and yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. But yeah, all you have to do is make sure that your DNS points to this A record, this IP address, and it will start resolving. So yeah, I hope that's helped you guys. Check out my other videos as well on how to set up an SSL. So at the moment this is not secure, so we'll get into that.